Some dreams start small. Ours was boundless from the beginning. Strategically located in Thoothukudi, the plant strengthens our global footprint. A bold step built on the foundation laid by Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. M.K. Stalin. Following in just 15 months, we built India's first 100% electric automobile plant. With cutting-edge technology and 90% automation delivering precision, efficiency and scale. Our body shop, spanning over 15,550 square meters, reflects a collaboration, blending human craftsmanship with digital technology and the principle of Industry 4.0. To ensure uncompromised quality, every step of production is digitally inspected with state-of-the-art 3D metrology systems. Our assembly line, spanning over 16,767 square meters of dynamic production, is equipped with 250 trained experts working through trim, chassis and final line. We are now equipped to build 4 models with VF6 and VF7 leading charge in phase 1 of production. With smart torque tools, every vehicle is tested rigorously from water ingress and wheel alignment to ADAS calibration and track trials. We don't just build cars, we build opportunity. With Vietnamese expertise and Indian ingenuity, we empower communities and protect the planet towards a sustainable growth.
We are united, talented, limitless, boundless. We are VinFast.
VinFast India, boundless together.